Sometimes in life, things don't pan out the way you want them to. But that's okay, because for those times where opportunities present themselves, that's when you really get to live. You get to live in the moment, and you get to say, do you know what? Let's send it.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video and you want more, leave us a like, chuck a comment, and if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. But that's it from me this week. I will see you next week for another video, and yeah, I'll see you around, guys. Have a good one.